Hello everyone, in this video I will compare OpenArt AI and MidJourney. OpenArt AI is a creative platform that allows users to generate images in many different styles such as photorealistic, anime, and fantasy. It offers built-in editing tools like inprinting, outprinting, background removal, and upscaling, which gives users more control over their images. One of its strengths is how easy it is to use since it works well even with simple prompts and automatically refines them for better results. OpenArt AI is also very good at keeping characters consistent across different images, which makes it useful for projects that need uniformity. However, some users find that it can be less reliable for complex or surreal prompts. MidJourney, on the other hand, is widely known for producing stunning, cinematic quality images. It is especially strong in creating realistic lighting, detailed renderings, and highly artistic visuals. MidJourney is often the top choice for professional artists and designers because of its ability to create emotionally powerful and stylish images. It also provides advanced editing tools like zoom, in-painting, and region-based editing. The platform runs mainly through Discord, though it now has a web interface as well, and it has a large community where users can share prompts and collaborate. While the results are very consistent and of a high quality, new users may find it a little bit harder to get started compared to OpenArt AI. Overall, OpenArt AI is best for users who want flexibility, easy editing, and a wide range of styles, while MidJourney is ideal for those who want the highest level of artistics and photorealistics quality with a cinematic look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.